Mommy Jo.
Make sure to subscribe, like, and share.
Okay.
Today we're gonna unbox a new
speaker for our TV. Okay guys, today we will show you what are inside the box of the Xenon SB-660. It's a 2-in-1 channel speaker with Bluetooth and other mode of connection. So we'll show you guys what's inside and how it works.
Yes.
See you later.
Yes. Oh, we're gonna be back.
Okay guys, here is the box again. We already opened this one in the store. We bought this speaker at the ANSON in Landmark in Makati. So again, we will rip the tape. So this is the Xenon SB-660 2.1 channel soundbar. So it has the long soundbar and a subwoofer. So these are the connections stated in the box. There's a Bluetooth function, HDMI connection, USB reader. It has a USB port, auxiliary in jack. So this is the typical connection way back before. Optical in jack. I think this is the best connection for best quality of sound. Coaxial in jack. I think this is the old one also with the 3-color connection. It has also a 3D surrounding when it used especially in the movies. It has a LED display which show what connection you are using. It also has a remote control inside the box and also the 6.5 inches subwoofer. Okay guys, so now we'll open what's inside. Okay guys, so here is the speaker, the soundbar. I think this is how many inches? I think this is more than 20 inches of a ruler. So the connection is at the back. So it has the arc connection, the optical, coaxial, SW out or the auxiliary in, the DC in connection, which is the power connection, and the power button. Okay, let's use the remote control. Oh, by the way, there is a manual inside the box that you can use, or you can check it out in the website. You are not familiar on how to operate. So this one, I haven't connected yet to our TV, but we will. So let's try to open it. Okay. So we will try the Bluetooth connection. So it says it's blue. So let us check. That title of the name of the speaker is SB-660. Okay, so there's the. Let's try Spotify. The bass and the treble will also can adjust, and there is a mode. There's a lot of mode that can easily adjust. It depends on your. So if it's optical, coaxial, what connection we'll be using. So there is also an equalizer. There are 4 types of equalizer that you can use. It depends on how the sound is working.
You are my final.
As you can check, the subwoofer is working, and the quality of the bass is very good. I think this is a portable one that you can use for your TV or for any or through mobile playing of Spotify or music, and it's affordable for only 5,000 pesos. You can have this soundbar and a subwoofer. Okay, let us check for the connection in the TV. Oops, sorry. It's already connected through optical. Okay, did you hear it? So very loud. Okay guys, you can have this speaker and this subwoofer available in ANSON. I think it's better to buy in personal, but I'm not against on online, especially if the product is too pricey. So you can check first the quality of this speaker before you purchase it, because somehow these are already displayed in the store. And if you have comments or question about this product, you can put it in the comment section, and I'm gonna put all the description of this item. So guys, this is affordable soundbar and subwoofer for our experience, cinema experience in the house, especially this lockdown. Okay, so if you have any questions, just put it in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video, and also join our Mommy Squad membership. Here, what do you call it? Just Kali is laughing. Just press the join button, and welcome to Mommy Squad. Okay guys, thank you for joining and watching our unboxing video of the Xenon SB-660 speaker. Till next unboxing, see you. Bye!
Bye.